So I bought some floor mats from Amazon for the ID4, and I'm going to put them in and see if they work. So this is the box here. And let me open it up. We have snow predicted coming tomorrow, so this is New England weather, and I'm anxious to replace the nice floor mats with these ones. All right, because this one has this cutout, so I think this is the driver's side. And then the other one is the passenger side. We'll remove the ones that comes to the car. So I only have the car for maybe 2 weeks, so they're still very new. Interesting. So there are these, I'll show it to you close up. So they have these, here you go, holes that hooks into the hold down point inside the car, and I need to get them aligned before I can slide them in. What a clever idea. I should move the seat back to give myself more room here. Success, I got it in. So this is a shot of how it looks on this side. And then let's do the little seats. All right, let's see if I can get this one out. This one side. I don't actually know if this is the right one, but we'll find out. It looks right. Let's see. So this goes past the tracks. And then this side seems to make sense. Yeah, so that looks right. Getting the hook in is going to be interesting. So the hook is here, this guy is here, which means I got to slide this thing forward quite a bit. And do some more adjustment on the other side. Alright, that feels better actually. This one is right on the hook, if I can get it in there. There, so we've got one side in. Let's go back to the other side. And that's it. That fits really, really well. Great, so now these are obviously rubber and ridged, so they're much better for the New England snowy weather. So let me do the passenger side. Now you can see how this thing goes in. It's one hook only, so this is easier, I'm sure. Just go from the top, pull this thing out. And get the passenger side in. All right, so I got the passenger side mat in as well. Looks pretty good. I'll reach over and show you the driver's side. And then similarly, the second row seat. I'm not going to do the third row because I don't really use the third row at all in this car. But I am interested in the trunk cover, so let's try that. So yes, my trunk is full of items here. Let's see how this works. So I'm actually not sure which is which. This looks like the trunk cover. Let's see. All right, so that's kind of a no-brainer here. I'll somewhat protect this part of it anyway. And I guess I'll use this to weight it down. I love these trunk organizers, by the way. Let's put this down here for now. And this is the second row floor, which I'm just not going to install. So unfortunately, the seat back is still exposed, but at least I have one area that is waterproof. That's it. So this is the almost fully installation of these plastic mats. They're not too expensive. They seem to be good. So it is a no-name brand though. I'll put the link in the description below.